Hello all, I am Dr. Vaishali Sawant, Associate Professor at Hansraj Jivandas College of Education. The title of my presentation is Perception of Teacher Trainees Towards Strategies Adopted to Cater to Their Diverse Needs by College of Education. Now let us see the background to this particular study. As per the NAAC guidelines released time and again, higher education institutions are expected to satisfy the needs of students coming from diverse backgrounds. Not only in terms of diverse background, but even from having diverse abilities and other personal attributes, which ultimately influence the extent of their learning. Learner-centered education is to be provided through use of appropriate methodologies. A variety of learning experiences is to be provided, which will be interactive, participatory, to cater to the diversity of the learners. Now, the strategies adopted by Hansraj Jivandas College of Education, specifically with respect to religious and cultural diversity, cater to economic diversity, regional and linguistic diversity, and the physical diversity found among students is as follows. To cater to the religious and cultural diversity, days of national importance and festivals of all religious groups are celebrated. The college prayer, which is sung on some days, emphasizes the singularity of all religions and cultures. The Sarva Dharma Prarthana, which is sung on a Friday, wherein all prayers of all religions are said the way it is said in their temples or mosques or churches. And other prayers also focus on human values, oneness, righteous path, and strength of the mind. To cater to the economic diversity, the staff counsels the students with respect to various schemes of the government and other trust for availing finances and free ships. Support is also garnered from NGOs to help get financial support in form of interest-free loans and donations. Fees are allowed to be paid in installment. To cater to the regional and linguistic diversity, the college has a Speak Well Club, wherein spoken and written skills of the students are polished. The college has a language laboratory wherein the students are trained for improvement in spoken language skills. Constructive feedback is given both after the internship practice teaching lessons as well as the written examinations, which is seen to improve their written as well as spoken skills. With respect to physical diversity, the schools which are given for internship are usually selected close to the vicinity of residence. Lessons for such children are conducted on the ground floor. The college has 2 lifts along with sidebars on the staircase, and the peers of such students are sensitized towards the issue. Concessions granted during practice teaching. Other strategies adopted is provision of mentor groups, provision of buddy systems, varied methodologies adopted by staff members during lectures, which is interactive, participative, collaborative, support provided by grievance cell of the college. Support provided by staff for personal and academic problems in the form of mentor groups, workshops conducted by college to enhance the personality of students, teaching aids used by the staff members to help them understand better, especially for those who have issues comprehending the content, accessibility of the physical infrastructure of the college, knowledge provided about diverse and different needs of school students also. Training provided to meet differences in school students, extensive activities, community work carried out to bring about awareness with respect to the differences found among the school students also. The objective of the study, to study the perception of teacher trainees towards strategies adopted to cater to their diverse needs by the College of Education. Methodology adopted. For the present study, the researcher used 4-point rating scale based on all the strategies adopted by the College of Education to cater to the diverse need. Content validity was established of this tool. The study was conducted on 100 first year and second year teacher trainees of Hansraj Jivandas College of Education, and the researcher conducted the study towards the end of semester 2 and semester 4 of the B.Ed program, so that to ensure that the teacher trainees were exposed to the varied strategies implemented by the college. Now, let us look at the various strategies and how the students have given their perceptions. Now, first strategy is at the time of admission and fees payment. So when the students come in at the time of, first year and second year, when they come to fill up the form and pay the fees and all. So as it is seen that most of the students, 97.56% of the students have agreed that counseling at the time of admission facilitated the admission process. Counseling for free ship helped me procure the free ships. Counseling for procuring documents for admission helped me immensely. Support provided by college to help economically disadvantaged is appreciated. Then the second table is with respect to strategies adopted to cater to the cultural, religious and linguistic diversities. And again, here it is seen that 98.75% of the students have agreed that or positively perceived that the strategies adopted, such as assembly conducted at the beginning of the day, helped me in accepting and respecting diversities. Celebration of days and festivals has helped me in accepting and respecting diversities. Speak Well Club to help students enhance their communication skills has benefited me to a greater extent, and enrichment strategy used to enhance written performance has benefited me to a greater extent. Then coming to the perception of the students towards strategies adopted to cater to their social diversity. Now here also 96.5% of the students have positively perceived the strategies adopted, such as provision of mentoring facilities by teachers has been very encouraging and motivating for them, and help provided by the buddy system has facilitated my journey as a student. Then coming to the perception of student towards strategies adopted to enhance academic performance of the students. 100% of the students, all the students have agreed that the strategies have helped them adopted by the staff during lectures has helped them to enhance their academic performance. The feedback, the support provided during all aspects, components of the practicum, such as practice teaching, micro teaching, simulated lessons, has helped them give better lessons. Teaching aids also used by the staff members have helped in better understanding. And the next one is perception of teacher trainees with respect to strategies adopted to cater to their personal growth. So again, 98% of the teacher trainees have agreed that the support provided by previous cell of the college has been very encouraging, and workshops conducted by the college has enhanced their personality. Then the last table is with respect to perception of students towards strategies adopted to cater to enhance the internship experience. So 97% of the students have agreed that the knowledge provided about diverse and different needs of school students has been beneficial during school internship. Training provided to meet differences in school students has been beneficial during school internship. Extension activities, community work carried out helped them to bring awareness about the socio-economic differences. Now, discussion of the findings. Now, based on these findings, it can be concluded that majority of the teacher trainees have positive perceptions towards the strategy adopted by the college, as the strategies have been beneficial to them to meet their varying needs. And all these findings are in accordance with the findings of the research studies conducted wherein it was observed that students' perception of their current learning environment were a strong predictor of learning outcomes. Students generally held very positive views of student-centered learning and student satisfaction with quality academic practices adopted by the institution. Based on this, the final conclusions that positive perceptions of students towards the quality practices of the institution ensures you can be sure that with this kind of quality practices, the learning outcomes of the program, which have been decided before even the program begins by the institution, are met with. And based on this, it can be said that higher education institutions should ensure, plan, and implement strategies depending on the diversity of the needs seen among students.